2021 Yamaha Superjet. Just got the quick steer put on. I haven't moved this fully out yet because I was getting a little bit of binding on the steering cable, but I do have the quick steer down here installed. It's turning a lot quicker. I do need to make a little bit more of an adjustment because under heavy throttle I'm getting some pull on the steering. It's shifting, it's turning a little bit. And then we got the Riva exhaust put on here, just the straight pipe, and that's it. So it sounds a lot better. With the steering alone, it's ripping far better. The bars or the pulls pushed in to the lowest bolt hole, and then some grips, and that's it. Everything else is fully stock on this ski. It's a ripper, so hopefully we get some S-turns down and some pulls right now. Enjoy the ride. I highly suggest getting one of these. I had a round nose road freestyle for a while, and this thing definitely doesn't feel big. You know, I was worried it was going to feel pretty big. It's not like those Cowies. It's not a tank by any means. This thing has a lot of power stock. It wants to throw you off. That's part of the fun. So, alright, let's get to it.